Today I'm sharing 2 patriotic Americana looks to give you that Memorial Day Tablescape inspiration. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It gives you inspiration and you return as a family member. Let's jump into what I'm going to be using on today's tablescape. I'm starting off with a pretty red tablecloth, coming in with some blue woven placemats and some beautiful red goblet candle holders with the ball candles that I thrifted some time ago. Red and white beaded star placemats, white dinnerware, and stemware. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I put this beautiful red, white, and blue tablescape together. And I'll meet you at the reveal. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist can be found in my description box below. So make sure you stop by the playlist for some awesome tablescape inspiration. Now enjoy the reveal and make sure you watch all the way till the end for the second look. If you've made it this far in the video, drop an American flag in the comments below so I know that you're with me. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I hope you've been inspired to create a beautiful Memorial Day tablescape at your home. Happy Memorial Day from my family to yours. And to all of my servicemen and women, thank you for your service. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.